Hello everyone, welcome to Daya's Kitchen. Today we are going to bake delicious, soft, fluffy banana muffin with chocolate chip. Let's get started. Let's place a filter on your bowl and add 1.5 cup of maida, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, add half teaspoon of salt. Strain the flour to remove any impurities. Then add 3 by 4 cup of sugar, which is 150 gram. Next add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly. Now let's take another bowl and peel 2 bananas into it. Start by mashing the bananas. It's best to use well ripened ones. They are softer and you can mash more easily. Mash until you get a smooth, lump-free consistency like this. Add half cup of melted unsalted butter to the mashed bananas. Then add 2 eggs, which is at room temperature, to blend easily. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Mix thoroughly until you achieve a smooth batter consistency. The consistency should look like this. Let's add it to the flour mixture which we prepared earlier. Gently blend the mixture using the cut and fold technique as shown to maintain airiness and avoid overmixing. Add 1 cup of chocolate chips and gently fold them into the batter. You can add extra chocolate chips if you prefer it more chocolatey. Prepare the muffin tray by using muffin liner in each cup. Parallelly, preheat the oven to 190 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Add 1 scoop of batter to each muffin cup, filling them about 3/4 of size to avoid overflow during baking. Sprinkle some extra chocolate chips on top of each muffin for a delicious finishing touch. Time to bake the muffins in the preheated oven at 190 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes on bake mode. As the muffins bake, you will observe them getting fluffy and rising in size, filling out beautifully in their cups. Our delicious banana muffins are ready. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you love this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Let me know in the comments how your muffins turned out and what you would like to see next. Thank you so much for watching.